What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Courtside Obi here again with a new video. I'm super excited about today's pickups, and I definitely have to say that I like these jeans a lot. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. So a little bit of backstory before I talk about these right here. Back in high school, I had this friend. She told me that I should try out wax denim. And I was kind of on the fence about it because I wasn't really edgy or risky with my style or whatever. So I'm like, no, I don't want to wear those. But at the time, she was really into wax denim and leather pants and things like that. And I guess Kim Kardashian and Kanye were wearing them a lot. So I eventually said, fine, why not? I'll try them out. So I ended up getting a pair of wax denim. They were super cool. They actually ended up being one of my favorite pair of jeans. And I wore those jeans till I couldn't wear them anymore, literally. I remember wearing them one day to one of my friend's house and we were messing around and stuff and they actually ripped. So the jeans I had, they weren't the best quality, but they definitely got the look down and they were super cool. Kanye's definitely been one of the people who helped me get into fashion, and I looked to him for a lot of inspiration back in the day, and not as much today, but I still definitely look to Kanye for a lot of inspiration in fashion. I just kind of carved out my own lane type of thing. But so getting this pair of wax jeans from Hyper Denim is definitely bringing back a lot of memories, and it kind of makes them a little bit sentimental to me. So yeah, I remember how I used to wear mine. I had some Balenciaga Arena sneakers. They were they were suede. They were from the Christmas collection. They were black and they were suede. So I wear them with my wax denim, and they just look so clean, man. But as you guys know or may not know, wax denim kind of died down. It was super hype at one point. I think this was kind of a little bit of a bigger range, but it was 2012, 2013, 2014, even 2015. People were really trendy on this whole wax denim, coated denim, leather jeans type wave, and eventually it died down a little bit. And I was actually looking for them last year and I couldn't find any wax denim. So I just made a conscious decision this time, and I did a little bit of a search for them for myself, and I'm like, I don't care who's wearing stuff. I don't care who's wearing wax denim. I don't care who's not wearing it, who is wearing it. I'm gonna wear what I wanna wear. If it goes out of trend, then it goes out of trend. But at the end of the day, fashion is subjective and you have to do what you wanna do. So that's why I'm super in love with this piece. So yeah, I actually ended up getting these coated jeans from Hyper Denim, and they really exceeded my expectations in every single way. The fit is amazing. The coating is great. These are just a super solid piece of denim. I was kind of skeptical because I know Hyper Denim makes those jeans where they put the zippers on the ankle. These ones don't have the zippers on the ankle, and that's something that really made me want to go with these. No one would even know what type of jeans these are or what brand these are. So yeah, I ended up going with them on Hyper Denim. Something that made me not want to get them was I saw this drawstring right here, but check this out, it's completely removable. It even says that on their website that this drawstring is removable right here. So in fact, what I did, I wore these last Friday and I kind of just flipped this drawstring into my pants, and with my shirt over it, nobody could see it. So that was super dope, and I can, like I said, I can also just take it off whenever. And this also has belt loops, so you don't need to rely on the drawstring to keep your pants on your waist, or you can also wear a belt with these, which makes them even more versatile. I ended up getting a size 36, which is my normal size, and these fit great. There is 5 pockets on here. You have your front 2 pockets, your back 2 obviously, and then right here you have this almost concealed pocket right here on the side, and it has a nice sturdy zipper right here. It's fully functional. You could put some stuff in here for sure. I usually keep my phone in my back pocket because I'm not a fan of the the pocket bulge. I don't like to walk around with my front pockets bulging out. These are slim fits, so they're tapered, and they're gonna look good with your sneakers. They're gonna look good with your Chelsea boots. They're gonna look good with whatever you decide to wear these with. So this is the coated or waxed denim from Hyper Denim. The pricing on here is $48. It's on sale right now. If you guys are looking to get some waxed denim, make sure you get them from Hyper Denim. I think they're gonna be sold out soon. Usually when they cut prices, they kind of sell out of whatever they have, and it's because they're not really looking to sell them at the moment, which doesn't mean they'll never bring them back. But yeah, when I saw these on sale, I had to get them. For me, there was no reason not to. And yeah, I'm gonna try these on real quick for you guys, and you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Hopefully they look good with the, I think they'll look good with the shirt I'm wearing right now. So let me try these on for you guys and I'll be right back. All right guys, as you can see, these jeans fit really well. It's an amazing fit. They're slim fit. Not kind of stating the obvious here, but your jeans should fit on your waist. You shouldn't really need a belt to keep your pants on your waist. A lot of people I see like sagging and stuff, and I don't really think that's like flattering to anyone's body type or whatever. So yeah, these are a great fit. When you look at how it kind of like tapers down to all the way down to my ankle, it looks really nice. It just looks really good, man. Like, these look nice. I actually wore these when I said I wore them on Friday. I also told you guys in my last video that I wore these with my Balenciagas, and I think these really help to put the look together. Slims out really well. I can't complain about these. Last pair of wax denim that I had, it actually ripped at the crotch, and it ripped because they were just like not a good fit. Your jeans should not restrict your movement, and I have a full range of motion in these. I can do whatever I'm gonna do in normal jeans, and that's really good, especially for waxed pants. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Got more content coming all 2019. Like I said at the beginning of the year, that we're trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So it would mean a lot if you guys could help me out with that. I'm gonna link these in the description, and that's gonna be it for this one. Peace out. Courtside Obi.
When I die, I'm trying to be in the same spot that Biggie was. Magic on your heart, it's at your dreams every day. But that night when you fade away, you wonder if you really did enough.